Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your laptop not go to sleep, your LENOVO Yoga Book 9. So to make your laptop not go to sleep, you should go to the settings, and in the settings go to system, then go to power and battery, and you'll see screen and sleep. Reveal that menu and you can see on battery power and when plugged in settings. And you can change both of them. Turning off the screen won't put your laptop to sleep. Your screen will just go dark, but the laptop will still stay on. All the processes will still be running, so you don't need to worry about it. And this is the time of inactivity, of course. So if you don't touch anything on your laptop, I personally like the screen to go off after like 15 minutes. So I'm gonna change it first for when plugged in to 15 minutes, but I want it to never go to sleep, so I can just set it to never. And now, when my laptop is plugged into power, the screen will go off after 15 minutes, but if I tap on the screen, it'll go back and the device will go to sleep. You can also set the screen to go off never, and you can change these settings for when on battery. Although I wouldn't personally recommend setting it to never for when on battery, because it will use significantly more power. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.